Hi, I am Dr. Patty Ford, and I'm here to talk to you today about what is relationship with food. I think a lot of times that's used in, it's kind of thrown out there, and people are like, what does that mean? Like, you eat food, you can buy food, food can be really fun. And when people say, what's the relationship with food? What they're talking about is, if you think about, you have a relationship with your kids. How would you describe your relationship with kids? Is it authoritative? Is it playful? Is it a partnership? So think about that with food. How do you interact with it? Is it fearful? Are you afraid of eating certain things because of consequences or pain? It could be so many different things. Are you feeling out of control with food, where you kind of feel like if there's food in the house, it kind of talks to you and you're unable to either eat it or not eat it or not stop eating it? Do you feel like food is something you just wish you could do without? So it's a very strained relationship. The hardest part about navigating food, or I think maybe the most intriguing part, is as a human, you do have some sort of interaction with food. You have had it since inception, whatever you want to say. You've had it since birth. And some of the relationship you didn't have a say in. You were really helpless, and you were given nourishment at birth, and you didn't have a say. You didn't really get autonomy with food, maybe not even from birth to 5. And then from 5 to 15, 16, your relationship with food was really dependent upon caregivers. And so it's such a unique topic because you have autonomy with it, but you didn't start out that way. So a lot of times your relationship with food is very much developed around your upbringing, around how you were exposed to food, who modeled food for you. And so it can be a really psychological or therapeutic conversation. And so hence, what is your relationship with food? There's a lot of layers to it. And if you're navigating some really painful things, painful diseases, maybe a painful weight management story, there's a lot of layers to your relationship with food. And tread really lightly, because it's really sensitive terrain. And that's what I do. I help to navigate people's relationship with food. And so for certain outcomes, there's typically an outcome that they're wanting to get to, whether that be healing or moving forward or changing their body or healing them from their body. And then talking about your body is also a part of the layer. It's part of the onion, having a conversation on what that means for you. Anyway, this is my YouTube channel, and we navigate all facets of food. And I find it fascinating. I love talking about it. I love working with it. And hope this channel or video helps you think about things in a new way. Okay, bye.